In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Steam levels for free. If you want to raise your Steam level without spending money, the good news is that it is possible. The important thing to understand is that free leveling usually takes time and a bit of consistency. Steam levels come from earning XP, and the main way you earn that XP is by obtaining badges. So instead of thinking only about levels, think about the badge activities that give you progress over time. A great place to start, especially if your account is still fairly new, is the Steam Community Badge. To find it, go to your Steam profile and open the Badges section. There, you'll see community tasks that are designed to help you complete basic account setup and activity. These tasks can include setting up your profile, adding a friend, joining a Steam group, and posting something like a screenshot or a review. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to earn free XP because it does not require you to buy anything. Just work through the available tasks carefully and make sure each one is fully completed so the progress counts. Another effective method is to play games that include Steam trading cards. Many games on Steam drop trading cards simply by playing them. As you spend time in those games, cards will gradually appear in your inventory. Once you collect a full set of cards for a game, you can craft a badge, and that badge gives you 100 XP. If you're missing one or two cards, you do not necessarily need to buy them. You can trade with friends to try to complete the set for free. This is a smart approach if you already own games with card drops and want to get more value from the games you're already playing. You should also check whether you already have Steam points available. If you bought games in the past, there's a chance you've earned points from those previous purchases. In that case, you can go to the points shop and use those existing points on the seasonal badge. That gives you extra XP without requiring any additional spending right now. It's not truly new free points, but it is a way to turn points you already have into Steam level progress. Overall, the best free strategy is to combine these methods. Complete your Steam community badge tasks, play games that drop trading cards, trade with friends when possible, and use any Steam points you already earned. It may not be instant, but if you stay patient, your Steam level will steadily go up over time.